Hello, trader. Hope that last week you guys and girls enjoyed this trend on gold. It was in a very strong uptrend, and currently, the trend is I see that potentially a bullish. Also, leave a comment. What's your thought on this? Do you think that gold is going to continue to up, or it's coming for a breakdown? I will be sharing my opinion in this analysis for the upcoming week. Let me first look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market, and then we'll drop down to the lower time frame to see where we can find potential opportunity. So we can see that XAUUSD is a long-term bull market, monthly price action. If we look at bird's eye view, that means that from historical perspective it is bull market, and we have seen that in that area almost quite a few months, more than years, there was long consolidation. And in those consolidation, if we closely look at, we can see that there was a breakdown here, which in fact during the, this is, I think this is a war candle, which has given a rejection, and then the market basically again bounce back up. So in that consolidation, after such a long consolidation, we see that currently XAUUSD has broken out, and because it has broken out, we may see a bigger trend continuation. Anytime it might even reverse back, but I think that because the price is in all-time high, we may see that sudden breakout, as there is no ceiling here, the sky only the limit here. So some people said that gold is going to moon. Let's see where it is going. Let's look at the weekly chart to see a bit more clearer picture. Now, weekly perspective, in this zone here that I was looking at, and we can see that there is a couple of things that we can look at. First, identifying the smart money zone. This is where the smart money, that there was an inverted head and shoulder here, breakout from that inverted head and shoulder, retest, and during that retest, we especially I identify this candle here, which is the weekly rejection. And if we closely look at it, we can see that it tested this order block, and then closed as a very strong rejection candle, passing the previous weekly low. The market again has made another bounce and forming series of higher high and higher low. If we look at here, we can see that from the weekly, 3 weekly doji, and then dropping down to the 2 weekly dojis. So every time the doji becoming smaller, smaller. So basically the expansion becoming stronger, and the consolidation becoming smaller. So there might be that stronger momentum coming in the market. Now, last week, this candle that we see, it's a full body green, and I think that there could be an upside bias, and we may see that potentially next one also coming as a bull candle last week of the month, almost nearly last week, and we may see that increased volatility. So if we in worst case, what I think that we might see a retest of this previous resistance here, which is the swing high broken here. We could see a retest, or even we might see gap open and then continuation to the upside. So dropping down to the daily, where we can see that from the daily, the market structure looks organized here. We can see that the price was respecting this dynamic support, which is the 20 EMA, and we can see a couple of times the price broken here and then closed above the 20 EMA, followed by, we can see here there was another break of structure, which basically crossed the 20 EMA again, closed above as a bullish engulfer from this 20 EMA, and that's a daily bullish engulfer. And we can see the market now after that continuing with an uptrend. Here is the daily candle. This candle is quite significant, as we see that there was a narrow doji, crossed that low, this is a liquidity candle, and with that candle formation back to back 4 days. We have seen that there was a stronger bullish momentum. We saw the price broken that swing high, candle close above, followed by another bullish engulfer. So from the lower time frame, from intraday, there was the last session, the session before the last session last week. We saw that there was a liquidity candle formation here. There was a strong grab and then bounce, followed by also narrow candle formation. So the way the price action has formed, we can see in the 4 hour time frame, whenever the market crossing that low, closing above with a stronger rejection. So the buyers are very active in the market. So looking at the 15-minute chart to see with market open where we can find opportunity, we see that if we draw this trend line, which though we can't draw exactly with a straight line, but just approximately looking at, this is where we can see in the past support here, support here, support here, and also support, and also support here. So pretty strong support has formed. And as if we look at here, it's slowly bouncing up. I wouldn't be very interested to buy from here because we might see another retest as the price is approaching all-time high. The buyers might sometime be hesitated to buy from a new all-time level. Rather, we could see that frequent break of market structure, and that could be either this level or breaking any of this low can be an opportunity for us to trade in the upcoming week or days. So this is the zone in the primary I will be looking at before it changes its market structure. Once it changes, we will be also I'll be posting analysis on the channel. Make sure also you subscribe to the channel and also press the notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I release new updates on this analysis. I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure you also stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video. So thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.